Hi everyone, hope you're well. Today is a little bit of a impulse buy, to be honest. I don't really know what to expect, so I didn't look too much into it, to be perfectly honest. So I'm just putting this video up to share for what it is, in case anybody else is looking at buying one, so you've got an idea of what you get in the box. So it's a Phillips OneBlade, and basically what it is it's a beard, stubble, body, hair trimmer. This caught my eye because it had a nice little charging stand, which you just sit the actual main unit on. I believe that's it there. So it's a little bit like some of the broom shavers that you get, where you can just sit it on to charge it out of the way. I think it goes that way. So you just pop it on to charge it. But the main reason, other than that, was because normally when you buy these things, you've got like 5 or 6 different interchangeable blades. This just comes with the single blade comb, and you just in essence turn that dial to adjust how thick you want it to cut, so you're not having to carry out lots and lots of extra pieces with you. It's just the one unit on it, and you just dial it for what you want it to do. If you want it to go really close, or if you want it to leave a bit of stubble, or just to trim beard, etc. So I thought it was quite a nice little idea, but as I say, there wasn't much online that I could find in terms of what exactly you got, so hence this video. So we've got like a little carry bag for it, which is a little drawstring carry bag, your standard shaver adapter to charge it, the aforementioned charging stand, which you just plug right into the back. It's a nice little touch. You get your bits and pieces, your little user guide. You're supposed to change your blades every 4 months or so on this, but I guess a lot of that's down to how often you use it as well. If you use it daily, then you will need to change it a lot. That is the blade. It's a strange looking thing. It's not like your conventional razor blades that you see. And then there's the adjustable comb. So as I mentioned earlier, the idea being that's on, you want to have a trim, you can have it on its minimum setting, which is there, and you can go all the way up to 10mm by the looks of it. So as you can see, it's adjusting, so it's quite a nice little idea, that, I think. Obviously the proof is in the pudding in terms of using it, but everyone who's had one of these reviews wise seemed to be quite happy with the actual performance. I just couldn't find much in terms of what you actually got, what it looked like in the flesh rather than product pictures. So there's the actual main unit. It's quite light. It does have a little digital display on it as well. I think at the moment it just shows that it needs charging. So I've just put it on its charging dock just to give you an example of what it looks like. Goes on nice and easy. It's quite sturdy. You know, it's something you can put on your dresser and it'll not look out of place. So we'll just plug it in now to charge it up. As you can see, you've got a little display that comes on, which basically tells you how long you've got left on the charge. At the moment, you can see it's saying there's no charge in it. So we'll leave that to charge up. As you can see from that initial noise, it's about the same noise as a standard shaver, so it's not over the top. So we'll leave it to charge up, and then we'll fit the blade and the trimmer. So we'll put the blade in. It clips into place, like so. And then it should just lock on. That just locks on place like so. They don't feel sharp at all. One of the beauties of this is it's not supposed to cut your skin or anything as well, so it should be interesting to see. As you can see, it's saying 100. As you can see, it's saying 100%. So it's now good to go. So I hope you found that useful. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. Be safe out there.